Hi there, loves, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest hip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Somizi went to his Instagram today to clear his name with a series of WhatsApp conversation screenshots between him and Ali after Ali went to TikTok and tried to tarnish Somizi's name and alleged that Somizi wanted to sleep with him. Somizi also released a 3 minute video detailing what had transpired between him and Ali. Check out the video, you guys, and please do not forget to tell me what you think. I'll see you in the next video.
Hi everyone. There's something I need to address that is really troubling me, and I hate it. Why? Why do people always want to take advantage of other people by blackmailing them or manipulating them and stuff like that? So here's the story. There's a guy, Ali. He's called himself Ali Boy. I've known Ali for more than 2 years, and me and him, we've been chatting, and it ended up us flirting and talking, everything flirtatious. I want him, he wants me, and stuff like that. But then Ali has a company that he runs, and then he posted a flyer with my picture on it and my name saying I'm going to be a judge. And I confronted him. I said, Ali, you can't do this without my permission. And then he said, Somizi, I'll pay you. We'll sort it. I said, no, you can't, because my management is now cheating on me, saying, why? What are you doing? Then 6 months down the line, on Sunday, I see the poster again. Then I confronted him. I said, Ali, you need to remove the picture or pay me. And then I said, you have to pay me by Monday, or else I'm going to post something that says I'm not a part of it. And then he's like, oh, you're threatening me now. I said, no, I'm not threatening you, I'm telling you. Then he did not respond on Monday. Tuesday, I posted, I'm not a part of this. Then now he goes on TikTok saying that I am angry because I wanted him to have sex with me. And I was like, okay, even if I wanted to, what does that have to do with the professional side of things? And I've got texts of us talking to each other, flirting with each other, back and forth, and consensually so. But that has nothing to do with the professional side of things. So now he's blackmailing me, saying he's going to expose me, that the reason why I posted that is because I'm angry. I have long passed that phase. Now he's claiming he's not gay and blah, blah. I don't care. But I will not sit here and allow people to tarnish my name and making me as if I wanted sexual favors from him so that I can do the gig. No, it doesn't work like that. And I am not going to allow it. Enough is enough. Like, enough is enough. And now he's posted on TikTok with voice notes and stuff like that. I have texts that I'm not even going to go there, but I'm just making it clear that, one, I'm not scared of you trying to. I'm an adult. I can flirt, and if someone flirts back or we can chat, it's an adult conversation. I am not preying on someone who doesn't want to. He was a part of it, but now he's blackmailing me, saying that the reason why. That's not the reason. The reason is that you are a scam, you defraud people, and you want me to be a part of it just because maybe you were trapping me by flirting with me and I flirted back. Well, it worked, but I'm not going to keep quiet as if I did the gig or wanted to do the gig for a sexual favor. Hell to the no. I refuse. I am doing so well for myself right now. I stayed in my corner. My name has been tried and tried and tried to be tarnished. And now it is the end. I am never ever going to allow anyone to take advantage of me. It ends here. Done. Done.